Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. On this video I'm going to show you how to do a French design with a twist and a 3D flower that I've hand created using acrylic powder. Enjoy! So I have already prepped and sculpted a tip onto this nail. So I'm going to go in with an acrylic design. I'm going to do a French, so using Warm Beige. Going to extend the nail bed slightly. This bit doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to go around it with the file anyway, to straighten up that smile line. More acrylic by the cuticle area. Just neaten up that cuticle area. Get rid of those random bits of glitter. Once you've used glitter once, that's it. It's everywhere. As long as you've got like a bit of a wall to work with, then I'm going to file around this area and place all the glitter here. I'm just going to wait for that to set. Now it's set! Go in and file around the smile line. Make it nice and crisp. Use some pure acetone on a lint-free wipe over that nail. And I can see then that my smile line is looking nice and neat. I'm going to use Gem Explosion into the monomer, into the acrylic, and then push it up against that smile line. Bring it down the nail. Using the Nail Nails Crystal Clear Powder, I'm going to encapsulate that glitter and give the nail some strength. Again, tilt the finger down and you can just manipulate the acrylic down the nail, pattern it. Not forgetting these little edges. And checking down the barrel to make sure it's symmetrical either side. It's all covered, but no dips. Wait for that to set. It's done! Tap it, it's done. Yeah. File the sides. The free edge. Make sure you hold that file straight. If you tilt it, it'll go into an oval, and you don't want that. So wipe over that nail. Using acetone again, I am going to get rid of the file marks. Now it's ready for a top coat, so using the Urban Graffiti top coat. Up towards the cuticle and down the length of the nail. Cap the free edge, don't get it on their fingers. I'll pop it under lamp for a minute please. Right, and now I'm going to do a 3D flower using acrylic powder. So I'm going to buff over, just take that shine off where I want the flower placed, otherwise it'll just drip off. Using the Nail Nails Pure Black and the 3D number 4 3D nail brush. Pop a bit of black onto my brush. Drain out the excess liquid. Place it on the nail. And then going to make that into a half moon, and then using the brush, push it out. Move on to the next petal and repeat that process. Drain the bead, don't lose the bead. Pop it onto the nail. A semicircle or a moon. Because I'm using high speed, it'll set quite quickly. So, using the barrel of the brush and pushing down. clean my brush off and I can just get rid of any of those stains. Go. Next petal, same again. Bring it in a little bit more. Do another C shape. And you can see when it starts setting because it goes matte, and you know then that you can push it out. Clean my brush off. Clean inside. I'm going to wait a couple of seconds for this area just to matte up before I put my next bead in, because you don't want it to merge together. Drain off that bead again, pop it in the centre. This petal I'm going to do slightly different. I've used just the point of the brush and going into the middle and making a hole. Keep that as a hole. And then what I'm going to do is push it out, cut into that and bring that little bit round and in. Just like that. And I'm thinking maybe this bit needs a little bit of a petal, so I'm going to go back in and do a little petal there. Just to add to that bit. I'm going to do a little leaf. So same again, drain your bead off. I'm going to pop that over here. I'm going to flatten it out. Using the tip of the brush. Just moving it until I get it into the shape that I want. Push it out. And using the very tip of my brush, I'm going to put some impressions into the acrylic so it looks a bit more like a leaf. Like that. And you could always jazz it up with some extra bling, stick some gems in here. Or you could do more flowers further down here. Just depends how much you want it to pop. I really like the glitter, so I want more of the glitter on show. And then I'm personally going to leave that as a matte flower, but if you use some nail glue and just brush on a little bit of nail glue around the edges. It'll make it shiny, but don't touch anything until it's set. And then I'm going to rehydrate. There we have a black 3D rose. And glitter! Done! Ta-da! So I hope you enjoyed this video, and give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!